Good morning, silent children. Children, first of all, I clap for you all as you are doing well in studies. Children, as we have finished our chapter 12 in physics, now I am giving you some work in physics. What type of work I am giving? It's a project work. Now, the topic of your project work is electricity. Now what you have to do in this project, the first question which I am giving in this project is you have to write down the electric circuit symbols of different electrical components. This you have learned in your chapter electricity also. If you are not getting this, I am showing you this which type of symbols you have to write down. So these are some symbols which I am showing you here. All these symbols you have to write down in sheets. Yes, you have to write down these symbols in sheets. What type of sheets you have to use? If you are getting A4 size sheet, then it is okay. But if you are not getting A4 size sheets easily, then you can use old notebook pages also. So whatever you are having at home, that you can use for doing this work. After this, I am giving you the second project work. In this second project work, I am giving you the electric circuit. Yes, you have to make an electric circuit. Children, you have made electric circuit in previous classes also. In 8th class also you have made that. But in this electric circuit, I am just making some changes. When you are making this electric circuit, here you have to use different materials. Different materials you have to use, and then you have to observe which type of materials are showing conductivity, which materials are conducting electricity. Now I am helping you by showing you diagram or this figure also. Here you can see what we are having, an electric circuit, simple electric circuit we are having. I can show you here. Here you can use your cell or battery. You can use cell also, and you require a wire. And the third thing which you require here, that is bulb. If you are not getting small bulb easily, then you can use the torch bulb also. Okay. Now what you have to see here, you have to see this thing. We are taking the two free ends of wire. These two free ends of wire we have to touch with different materials. Yes, different type of materials we have to use here. Here you can see easily we are having these two end points, open ends, and when we are showing that bulb is glowing or not, then we have to make circuit close. So how we are closing this circuit? By touching these two ends of wires with this metal coin. Okay, so you can see here when we are touching these two ends of wire, free ends of wire, with this metal coin, then the bulb is glowing. You can see the light here. What this thing is showing here? Now what this thing is showing here, this thing is showing that this metallic coin is a conductor as it is passing electric current. Now in place of this this metal coin, you can use some other materials also which you are having at home. For example, I can give you some examples like you can use iron nail, you can use your key, you can use your metal scale, you can use your steel container, you can use aluminum foil, etc. Or in other hand, if you want to use some different materials, you can use paper, you can use eraser, you can use plastic scale, you can use cotton, you can use cotton also, or you can use some plastic scale also. So in this way, if you are using these different materials, then you have to observe which, by touching which materials you are getting this light. So after seeing all these things, when you are observing all these things, then you have to, after doing this project work, then you have to observe carefully. You have to write down all these things, observations, in a sheet. In that sheet, first you have to mention which materials you have used, total materials which you have used here, that you have to write at the top. Then after writing all these materials, then you have, after your observation which you have find out after this project work, after this activity, then you will categorize all these, you will classify all these materials in two groups. First will be group, first group will be of conductors, the second group will be of non-conductors. In this way you will mention some conductor objects through which bulb has glow, and in second category you have to write down materials which you have used here, which are behaving as non-conductors. So in this way you have to write down this observation in a page. Now this was your second project. After this we are coming to our third project. Your third project is based on numericals. Yes, in this chapter 12 you have learned so many numericals, and some numericals I am writing here. Total 13 formulae I am writing here. With the help of these formulae you have to solve at least 10 numericals. Yes, you have to solve 10 numericals which are based on 10 different formulae. These numericals you have to again solve in sheets. Now children, I am just telling you how to do this work, where to do this work, and how to collect all these things. When you are writing all these things in sheets, this thing you have to keep in mind in separate sheets. When you are doing this thing, then you have to collect all these sheets and file. All these sheets you have to collect and file. The sheets which you are using here, these sheets can be your A4 size sheets, or you can use, if you are not getting A4 size sheets, then you can use your notebook pages also. Old notebook pages, rough notebook pages also you can use. The thing which you are having at home, you have to use only that material. Second case, for keeping all these sheets, you have to use only one file. All these things you have to keep in one file. Children, here you can show your creativity also in this project work. You can decorate your file, you can decorate your pages also, but when you are doing this decorating work, then also you have to use only the materials which you are having at home. Next thing, when you're doing all these things, I'm just reminding you again, all these sheets you have to keep in one file. And as I'm giving you physics work, other teachers will be giving you other subject project also. So what you have to do when you're collecting all these pages, all these sheets, when you're collecting subject wise, then all these pages subject wise you have to assemble in single file. No need to use separate files for different subjects. You have to use only single file for all subjects. Now children, as you are completing all your work, all these sheets, all these project work, you have to store at home safely, and whenever your school is opening, then you have to submit your work to your class teacher. In this way you have to finish your project work. Now children, after finishing all this project work, I just want to remind some points which you are knowing already, but I'm just reminding you. Do not forget to wash your hand frequently. Do not stay outside. If you're playing, play at home. Eat healthy food. Wear mask when you're going out, when your family members are going out. Help your parents at home, and also play at home. Do yoga also, and be healthy. Stay at home. Stay safe. Okay. Thank you, children.